Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a DIY graduation cap for my friend Destinee. Congratulations on your graduation from college. I am so proud of you. And these are the items that I did pick up from Packetans, which is a craft store. And I just picked up all of these items that were under $2. And so of course I started out with her graduation cap. I also got this glitter paper from Packetans, which is actually a sticker paper, which I didn't find out until I did the hat. I picked up these pearl strips, which are stickers. These name or letter stickers, which actually have pearls on it. Also a heart, and I picked up 2 different sets of alpha stickers. This is the design of Tweety that I'm going to be using to put on her hat. So of course with the graduation cap, you want to make sure that you are designing the right side of the hat. So you want to see where the front of the cap is. And then I just took this glitter paper here, and I'm just measuring with my eye here just to see where I want. I actually wanted to add a border to it, or keep a border on the hat, so I just measured it out a little bit so that I can add the glitter strips to it. Now I'm just taking a pin and just measuring accurately where I want to cut off the excess glitter sticker paper. And I added a little bit more room because there's actually, you have to cut out the circle for the button that's in the middle of your cap, and then also you have to have room for your tassel to turn it once you graduate. So now I'm just taking a pen and kind of circling out exactly where the cap is. And then I'm going to flip the paper over as well and just put an X on it to kind of mark the middle of the circle. So this is what I'm talking about here. Why is the phone ringing? There's nobody but bill collectors. Do you guys hear that? Now I'm just cutting out that circle. And I want to make sure it is a little bit bigger than the actual button. Again, for the tassel, to make sure that you can turn it. And then now I'm just placing it accurately onto the cap. And I'm just marking where I absolutely want to cut it to make sure there's still a border on that side of the hat. Now I'm just making sure it does fit, which it does, and I'm just adding the alpha stickers to it. And we were trying to come up with a name or a saying or slogan for her that she wanted. So we had a couple different ones, but actually this one I am actually spelling out, every ending has a new beginning. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding the alpha stickers. I wanted to make sure that the accent alpha stickers with the diamonds on them actually had the ending and the beginning word on it. So I loved how I added a dimension type of look to the actual design of the alpha stickers. It works wonders when you have big long words, just to add a little bit something new. As you can see here, I broke the end. And I'm just fixing it with the pen. And now I'm just peeling off the actual glitter sticker paper, and then I'm going to place it on there. And again, making sure that it does have the black border that I wanted. I'm just pressing down on it to secure it. And now I am taking the diamond or the pearl strips, and I'm just adding them onto the cap. Again, these are sticky, so they're self-adhesive, so you don't need any glue or anything like that. And I'm just placing it around the perimeter of the hat. I think these, the pearl strips were actually made by Doris, that brand, the actual sticker brand. And now I'm just cutting out this heart, which is actually a sticker, but I wanted to make it a little bit dimensional so that the heart pops out, because the heart is glittery and gold. So I am actually just cutting, I traced it, and I'm just going to cut it out. And now, as you see, I'm just trying to see how I want to make it dimensional, and I stick it on there just to be safe. And then I just added these like other pearl and diamond sticker strips just to make it pop a little bit. Now I'm taking the Tweety Bird, and I'm just trying to see, I'm also taking actually a student planner, so I wanted to use something with a hard back. So I'm just cutting this out to make the Tweety Bird sturdier, because the Tweety Bird was actually printed on printer paper, like regular printer copy paper. So again, just wanted something sturdy. So now I'm just seeing which Tweety Bird I want to use. I will use the smallest one that I printed out. Now I'm just seeing exactly how I want to do it. And I just placed it on right here. So now I'm just putting it on the back side, the all white side of the paper. I wanted to make it look like a laminate type of photo, so I actually added tape to it. Now I'm taking the hot glue gun, and I am just making the Tweety Bird able to be able to stick on the glitter paper, because the glitter paper is very hard if you use regular glue. You do need to use some kind of hot glue gun to make it actual stick and stay. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, thumbs up. And again, congratulations. See you guys later.